it's just a very high-paced, high-energy environment.
Pretty packed as well. It was pretty electric, pretty loud. It was pretty cool to have.
Seeing the crowd kind of get really behind the team as well was really cool.
As a student at Otago, interning with the Highlanders has been a really incredible experience.
Being able to get the practical skills that we can learn by being in the behind the scenes of the Highlanders has been really valuable to add to my degree.
Having this opportunity has built my confidence and skills to actually understand what it's like to be in an environment such as the Highlanders and in such a big stadium, and learn everything that goes on and just kind of have the courage to ask questions and get more out of it.
I think we have a really unique opportunity at Otago Uni to have a full-rounded degree in getting skills through things like this Highlanders internship to really make the most of the opportunity that we have here.
I can imagine if anyone coming to Otago, it'd be pretty special to get amongst something such as the Highlanders. It's just super inviting and you get well looked after.
I would definitely say when you're choosing what university to go to just not look at the university itself, but also the opportunities around the university that you can get involved in. Like this one, for example, you can't really get this anywhere else, so it's really valuable and unique to Otago and the community that you're going to be living in for the years that you're studying. So I would definitely recommend and take any opportunity you see, because it's your responsibility to get involved.